3.2 is very easy. You're just going to multiply a binomial and a trinomial together, but I want you to do it in a very specific way. How would you multiply these together? So we could just distribute this times this, and this times this, and this times this. And then when these get bigger, it's really easy to miss one. Like if I had a w squared out here, then we'd have to do this one times all three, and this one times all three, and this one times all three. And there is a pretty good chance you're going to forget one. So we're going to multiply using the box. Now, you have to use the box today. After today, I don't care what you do. But you need to use the box today because that will help us do the next step, which requires the box. So is this a 2x3 box or a 3x2 box? It doesn't matter. So I put 7w in 1 and 2w squared minus 3w plus 4. And the nice thing about the box is everything's organized and there's no way you're going to forget to do one of them because you just have to fill all the squares. So 14w to the third minus 21w plus w squared plus 28w, 2w squared minus 3w plus 4. And the nice thing about the box is most of the time your like terms are going to line up across the diagonals. So 14w to the third minus 19w squared plus 25w plus 4. Piece of cake, right? Okay. And then what about this? Same idea, we're just introducing multiple variables. So I'll do this one as a 3x2. Okay, 20y squared minus 12. Usually we put them in alphabetical order. So vy, and then 30 vy minus 18v squared, 35y minus 21v. Now, it's quite common if you have multiple variables that the diagonals are not going to line up. So you might have to say, oh, this one and this one match, which they don't. But in this case, it did happen that those two go together, but none of the others do. So when you're dealing with multiple variables, just be really careful and look through and find all your like terms. 20y squared minus 18vy minus 18v squared plus 35y minus 21v. Something like that. Okay, that's it for 3.2.